We out here. Team Keep Fishing. Fish fry.
I got it.
Let's see. Let's see.
Damn, bro. She goes to the store. Don't take her license.
Well, gotta go. So then, we out here with Jeremy, D-Man.
You said fuck me.
What's up, man? Got a good old fish fry, coleslaw.
Some homemade coleslaw.
That's a good song too, man.
Where's this fish at?
Yeah, he gonna cut it up anyway. Done. Yeah, we gotta get some Ziploc bags, huh? HEB bags.
Oh!
Oh,
God. Yeah.
Got the fish over here. It's right here. We got some fresh shark right here. This shark right here. I don't know how they're gonna do it. Yeah. This shark right here. Got all these golden croakers, a little bit of flounders mixed in there. Got a little drum, but it's all gonna come out in a minute. Yep.
Changing out this water. We're gonna insert some pictures right here so y'all can see what these fish look like before they were
That's fresh, dog.
filleted and stuff. Caught these at the coast. Where y'all catch them at?
Fresh fish. You just cut down there. Packer channel.
Packy Channel.
Packer channel.
Way at the end.
Hitting like crazy. Yep.
Soon as we got there.
This team Keep Fishing. So if y'all ain't following on Facebook, go follow. Join the team. Post pictures.
Fish, you want to catch a fish? Go to Packer channel. It's a big channel. Fish all up in that channel. Yeah, you might have to drive over here, drive over there. But one of them spots, you're gonna find them there.
You gonna get wet.
Spend some time there.
You will get wet. They ain't fillets or they chopped them today?
Are they fillets? Should I take them out of the thing? Should I take them out? Lay them in there?
It should have been thrown out already. How you had them in there that long? You been here about a good hour, huh?
It's cold out here too.
Yeah, it's still kind
You can open it up though. Just put it, you know what I'm saying? Put them in that form in that water. You can take it out there.
That's cold water anyway, so it'll be alright.
Yeah, no, that'd be good. There you go. Oh yeah, look.
So I got it.
You gonna pack this one right now?
Yeah, no, I'm gonna season this up real quick.
Oh, okay.
You smell it? There's a little bit of seasoning, but not enough, right? So, pepper, garlic powder. Alright. Throw that in there. Onion powder. You got lemon pepper, Germ?
No.
You have no lemon pepper?
No.
Damn, that's alright. Yeah. Maybe just shake it up real quick like this, you know? Just shake it up. My grandma taught me this. She said if you don't season in a bag like this or you fry stuff in the bag, you ain't doing it right. Like that, right?
I do that in the house. You got you next. Ooh, what is that? Onion or something?
Onion, pepper, garlic, salt. Alright. That's alright. So we don't have lemon pepper. That's cool. That's cool. So we ain't got
You need garlic?
No, I got garlic. Man, bro. I bought some lemons. We're gonna chop them up at the end. Squeeze it real quick.
Okay, I'm gonna chop the lemons up.
Yeah. 2 more minutes. About 2 more minutes on the buttermilk. So now that's it. We can get this other fish going.
Okay, let's get the other. Let's get this going.
What? 2 more minutes.
But
You gonna fry that whole
first,
thing like that? You ain't gonna cut them up? You gonna cook the fish up?
Which one? Which one?
All of it, you gonna cut them up?
Germ,
We can.
Germ. But first things first.
Fireballs.
That's what she calls me.
Fireballs. Make sure they just pat this dry like this. Always want to rinse your fish in cold water and pat them dry. That is key. All right.
Easy, hard work.
All right. Y'all ready? that? See how it look white and dripping? All that moisture is get all in there.
Hey, you want to talk about good? It look so good.
I get that much room in that basket.
No, it's okay. I'll do a couple pieces.
Are we doing this or no?
What?
Where's
In my pocket.
Here, I'll open it for you. You can use that hand. Give me yours. Yeah, makes sense.
What?
Do like 7.
I'm right here.
Tired or what? Come on, let me hold you.
Do like 7.
Use your clean hand, Chris.
Okay. Cool.
You don't have to.
I don't have to.
Share one.
Yeah, I'm gonna take one.
Share it.
I don't have to. We just...
About it. What are you doing? About to swallow the whole thing.
My stomach is gonna burn.
Let's go. We're gonna hurt his crap.
Ready?
Cheers to bonfire season.
I love Fireball. I have no
They
reaction
said
with
the ones
Fireball.
at HEB are fake. The guy at the liquor store, he said they're fake. He did. That they're like half the percent.
Hey, lying.
He said 33%. He said they're only 16%.
So we got this going right.
Thank you.
Now close it up just like this, right? Turn once, turn twice, and shake. Just like that.
We're excited.
Just like that.
Shake it up. Shake it up.
There you go, Jerm. Get him, Jerm. Take him over there.
Can you take on the black phone? Yeah, it's all in there.
Go there.
All right, let's see. And your fish should look like that. Your fish should look like that. No, it's shaking off. That is. Look. Hey, look. No, secret. Look. If your grease and oil ain't doing that, your oil ain't ready. Yeah. Oh, see, look. You can lay them in the basket
Hold on.
first.
Let me walk around.
We can do it.
Hold on.
Yeah. Lay them in like that, right? And it's shaking off. Look, ain't nothing coming off there. That's that buttermilk. They gonna taste like catfish a little bit. You'll be shocked. Look.
Hey,
Mm.
after this, I don't even have it. Hey, after this, you'll never throw
Let's see this.
Ooh, like that. Look, that's what you want. Germ, half a lemon.
Once again, we out here with T.K.F. Team Keep Fishing.
Yes, sir.
Getting this
Not
fish
only
fry
we
going.
catch the fish, we keep fishing, and we cooking fishing.
Y'all join the page. Y'all love fishing. Y'all know good fishing spots. Let's go ahead and
I know.
let's join Team Keep Fishing, and you can post them. Share the love. We got the kids out there. The kids know what fishing's all about. Let's see little Jerm right here. Show me the beanie. Show me the beanie.
As I told you, that lemon,
Spin at it.
that half a lemon.
Yep, let's see, keep fishing.
Look at that.
Look at you get that? You get that?
Shit.
Oh my God, it's about to go.
It's almost. About 30 seconds. You can start to smell it. You start smelling the fish. Once you smell it like that,
See that steam coming up.
alright, 5 more. About 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Perfect timing, Germ. Let me see it real quick, right? They ready now.
Let's see.
Oh, yeah. Harry, you gotta get your next packs ready.
I know.
Oh, you know what?
I still got something in there.
I'm gonna get the basket for you.
Here, look. Yeah. All right, look, hold on. Before everybody eat it, look. Just like that. All right, everybody get a little piece because it's the first batch. But remember, the last batch is always the best batch.
You talking about
Jada, let's share half and half.
Yeah, look, it's falling off. Like, that's what you want, flaky.
Oh, this smells good.
Yeah, that's hot.
You're supposed to. piece. There you go.
Ooh, let's see, let's see.
Reserve.
What's your name, D-Man?
Yeah,
No?
it's good.
Alright, no lemon.
You're doing it like restaurant style.
Yeah, I don't like the lemon.
Got that black and pepper. We're cooking this, what you saying was? Black tip shark?
Yeah.
Black tip shark. Got that black tip shark.
Black and black tip shark.
Hey, put the oil on there too.
I'll see right now.
Right there. Yeah, that side is good. Yeah, the whole.
Hold that black and pepper up again. He got a season with this blackened. No, I can see that with the light, but it's blackened seasoning.
Right, me look. Oh my God! Everybody smell this.
Let me see.
Woo! Smell it. Smell it.
It's supposed to be like a steak.
They wear light flashes too.
Yes, sir.
Can you post me doing that so it look like I cooked it?
I want to eat that crab.
Let's see. Show me that crab. Hold that crab, little germ. Hold it right here in the light. Let's see. Ooh, got this crab.
See the eyes.
Oh, this is my song. I requested at Darren's wedding. Yeah, they put it on the list.
Hey, it's really hot up here. I don't want to get those two up here.
These two?
Yeah. See here? Let's see right there. What? The burner's not working right? I don't know why I can't.
Crack them open, right? This is all like the brains and stuff.
We got the crab getting cracked open right here.
Cut them open.
way better.
It'll be a soft shell. Right, get all this out.
Ooh, look at that. How'd you crack that open though?
I just cracked it with a knife.
He was going like this.
Right, see, all this is meat. All this right here, all that's meat. You can even do this. You can take off this. Take off it. Right.
Daddy.
Take off the bottom right here, the eyes.
Daddy.
Right there.
Oh, you can take those out. Yeah.
You're good. The next batch, the last batch is ready to go in.
AJ stealing stuff.
There you go. There you go.
That's a lot of chicken. That's a lot of fish.
Just like that, right?
That's a lot of chicken of the sea.
Oh,
Season it up, dog.
No, this because you can go in the buttermilk too.
And you gonna throw it on the thing like that?
Huh?
You throw it on there like that?
You gonna fry it
Fry
up
'em
like
up.
hold on, wait. You gonna let it sit a little bit, right?
Oh my gosh.
that? There you go, Jared.
What?
Like this.
I heard you twice already
What?
say something.
That looks
Like,
good,
oh.
you said?
Like once it's done, like with that, and then the butter.
Hook it up, Jared.
Why would you, oh,
Put it in
We
that,
get back.
Jared.
We'll
Put
get
it in
back
that,
to it
Jared.
when you throw this in the. You throwing it in the fryer, Chris?
Huh?
You gonna throw it in there?
Yeah.
When he throws it in the deep fryer, we'll get
It
back.
smells like fried mushrooms.
Coming out. Oh, it does. It does.
fried
Yeah.
mushrooms.
It does smell like fried mushrooms. It does. It does smell like fried mushrooms. Yeah.
Like from 50.
I didn't know that's what it, until you said it. It smells like it. That's the crab. Woo. Right.
Before and after.
Crack it
Allie,
open.
have that leg, Allie.
Crack it open. You gotta crack it open.
He's what?
Like, break it. Break the leg.
Hey, these
Hot
are,
dog.
It's one of you these, Dad.
these are legs right here.
Yeah. It's suspended.
I got a fork. Just crack it.
Right here, look.
I know. I got it. What is this? Oh, crab. Here, everybody, get a piece.
Oh, it broke my fork.
Arlene.
I'll give it.
Oh my gosh.
Hey,
I'll give it.
Dang, that is good.
Oh, you got it? The meat?
Yeah, look. It's right there.
How you do it?
let's go, D-Man. Taste it. Let's see.
They gonna fall in love with it. Is it like pepper or I don't know.
Good. Good. Look at little Jerm turn that crab leg up.
I love crab.
Yeah, Jerm. We're gonna fish it with next time, Jerm.
Allie like it. Allie said it's good too.
One day I got to the meat.
Yeah. I would say
Yeah.
this.
That shit good. We got the food all on the table. About to show y'all right now. We got the drinks over here. Little drink section. Shark right here.
That's so good.
Which one's the fish?
That's all fish.
It's all fish.
Oh, okay.
What's in there? What's in there?
That's the last batch. These are ready. You gonna get that plate?
What is it again?
Apple cinnamon bread with strawberry fruit spread.
Apple cinnamon bread with strawberry.
It's underrated. It's so underrated. You know anything?
See.
Tell me.
Look at this. Look at this. Oh my goodness. It's still nice and warm. Sipping that nice strawberries like that.
Babe, you want to try it?
It's not supposed to taste this good, man. It's not supposed to go together, but it goes together.
What you think?
Oh, that's good.
Yes, sir. It's good.